Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Horseman channel today. It's been about a week since my last video or so. Had internet issues and problems, but hey, what are you gonna do? Anyways, today's pretty exciting. Besides the weather, that is very crappy, as you can see out here the window. Cold and rainy. It sucks. But anyways, it is exciting because guess what? I got the gears put in the Shelby. Yes, 410s are now in the Shelby. We are on our way to go pick up the car. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to do any testing with the car today because the roads are complete garbage, but we'll get the car parked in the garage and hopefully, fingers crossed, that Friday we have good weather and we can do some test and tune, but I guess they're calling it, they got qualifiers, so I gotta do some more research and see if I'm allowed to go and go from there. But Friday, we're hoping to test the car out at the track and possibly get that 10. So, let's go get the car. All right, guys, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm actually back at the stable here because it was just too cold and rainy to really film at the shop where I picked up the car, where they had the 410s put in. Yeah, it's cold and rainy, and I just had to get the car back, you know, one piece. So here we are, we're back at the shop here. The car now does have 410 gears in the rear end. I replaced them with the 373s. So yeah, I'm hoping, you know, we're gonna pick up some time at the track. For those of you who don't know, who have not seen my videos, my name's Daniel. This is my 2013 Shelby with pretty much full bolt-ons minus, you know, like a lower pulley and stuff. It is on E85. It's put down 700 and 8 horsepower to the tire on the dyno. But anyways, other than that, yes, we're at 11.0 at the drag strip right now. That was with 373s. Please put in the comments what you think it's going to do now with 410s. Is it going to do any better? Do you think it's going to do worse? What do you guys think it's going to do? I'm hoping to at least break into the 10s now, maybe a couple 10s, who knows? But that is my goal right now. It does have the 410s in it. Yeah, and I'm just hoping, we're hoping for Friday to have good weather. It's supposed, I just checked again, it's going to be 59 degrees and no rain. So fingers crossed that we get a good pass in at the drag strip. And go from there. Obviously, safety is the most important thing. We want to make sure that, you know, there's good prep on the track and everything else. So, but yeah, that is where the car is right now. Like I said, 410s just got put in the car. I'm really hoping that that'll pick it up out of the hole in the 8th mile, and that way she can just stretch her legs from the 8th mile all the way out to the quarter mile. So 11.0 is her best time right now. You know, and I'm gonna obviously be having the drag pack will go back on her the next day or so to get her ready for Friday. Hopefully everything goes good. So yeah, that's where we're at for right now. Once again, for those of you just tuning in, I'm just a simple guy here with my Shelby, doing simple mods and stuff, having fun with it. It's a great car. Like I said, I love these 2013s. It's been good to me so far. It's you know, I pushed her to her limits and it's done well. So simple bolt-ons. She's at 700 to the tire, and we're hoping for the 10s. So yes, please, thank you all for supporting. If this is your first time, please feel free to check out my other videos on my channel. Please like, please subscribe. I could use all the support I can get, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, and as always, what's in your stables? Catch you on the next video, guys. Thank you.